been promising y'all is the renovation, or the beginnings of the renovation of this house. We'll get to that one soon, but right now we're looking at this. And don't forget, we got this beauty that's going to be getting renovated soon too. His baby. Now how about we go in here and take a look. And here is one of the houses we are working on. Well, look at all the work that's going to have to be done. All the walls been teared out. Got to replace the breaker box, put a new 220 in. 200 breaker box. There was a wood stove. I'm sure that has to come out. Let's walk through the house a little bit. This is one of the small bedrooms. Windows have to be replaced. Baseboards definitely have to be replaced. Along with the outlets, all these walls have to come out. So we can replace all the electric lines. We have another room, small room here. Only one window. And all the electric lines are run on the outside of this one. Then we have this little bathroom. Tiny window has to be replaced. Tub and walls probably have to be replaced. Has a shower unit that's attached that may have to be replaced. Then their wall. Not sure here. No cabinets. And a little medicine cabinet. Cute little cabinet. Sorry about the mirror view. That might be able to be salvaged, cleaned up. Step over. Bit of a step there. To the next room. This one comes from the front of the house. Already getting it worked on. This is the kitchen. Windows. Looks a lot better right now that I've got the windows open. He's not fond of being in videos. Have a glass door. Definitely gonna have to be replaced. Some nice windows. And a hole that will have to be fixed. The backyard. It's a nice backyard. Nice big backyard. And we'll show you what it looks like as we get more of the remodeling done. Talk to you soon.